Hello Vietmax and family, and welcome back to my channel. Make my day by smash that like button. Shiba, looks like Shiba is breaking out, up over 11% today. I mean, a quick look at just this portion of the daily chart. At one point, Shiba dropped all the way down to, man, it's really hard to read all those zeros. So let's just call this 0.7, okay? And then the price reversed direction, and now it ran all the way to about 1.4, which is 100% in 1 month. I mean, just looking at this pattern here, when it ran up, retrace, setting up this really nice bull flag, and now it's broke out. A quick look at the target for this bull flag. The target that we are looking at is about 1.7. So at 1.7, it would be testing this prior high. Okay, let's just draw a line at this point here. Yep, it would be testing right around this area before we would see some sort of a pullback. All right, let's take a quick look at the entire chart from May 2021 until now. First of all, after the spike up in price and then Shiba drop, finally it found support right at this point, which is around 0.7. And if we look at 0.7, that's where after its initial spike up, Shiba consolidate right at around this line before it spike up again. So it found support at this point, ran up to 1.7, retrace, and found support right at around the 0.7 again. So potentially what we could have here is a double bottom, and then the price reversed direction, and now it broke out of this bull flag. So our target would be right at around a 1.7. What I like to do is I like to draw a line with this high point just to see if the price action right now is outside of this downward trend line or not. So the first trend line I would draw is that. When Shiba was trending down, the price continued to trade below this downward trend line. And then finally at this point, it broke out, and now it is trading above this downward trend line. This is an indication of the end of this downtrend and the beginning of this uptrend. Now, let's look at the Bollinger Band. Again, I mean, the Bollinger Band is setting up very nicely. It contracted at this point, and now it is expanding. So Shiba is looking good. I do expect to see this thing run to my target of 1.7 before any pullback. So right now, it is a great time to jump in and accumulate. Take advantage of this breakout of this bull flag here. That's it. Give me a like if you appreciate this content, and if you like this sort of boring videos, make sure to click that subscribe button and turn on notifications.